Vincitore Aqua Dimore continues to rise, deliberately, methodically, and with precision. As the foundation takes form, the structure begins to emerge as it was envisioned. From aligned starter bars to reinforcement prepared for inspection, every element is executed with precision. Structural integrity is built into every layer, establishing a framework that will endure. This is progress you can rely on, and quality engineered to last.